Alright, so here we are at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. Today we're printing 22-inch by 22-inch premium cotton bandanas. These are navy blue bandanas with a single color gold print. These are premium bandanas, and as you can see, we're doing a complete edge-to-edge printing. A lot of printers will stop short, maybe give you a 1-inch or 2-inch border, which we can also do. But for these particular bandanas, we're able to bleed completely off the edge. These bandanas were already pre-made, not cut and sewn custom. And if you take a look at the marrowed edge, you'll see that the acrylic ink goes right over the edge, gives you a nice factory looking finish. So today we're printing about 350 of these right here in New Jersey. So if you're looking to do any promotions and you want an all over print bandana, give us a call. AMBRO Manufacturing, Flemington, New Jersey.